Hello friends, I welcome you all in my kitchen at Healthy Kadai. Potatoes is one thing which is always available at home and can be used to prepare numerous dishes. Which is your favorite potato recipe? French fries or potato veggies? Let me know in the comment section below. So today I am using potatoes to prepare a perfect side dish which is baked sliced potatoes. These are also called as Hasselback potatoes. So let's see how to prepare it. Before moving to the video, please subscribe to Healthy Kadai if you're new to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new recipes. We are using these small potatoes, however you can also use big sized potatoes. Now what we need to do is we need to slit the potato in such a way that we do not slit it through and through. In this manner we'll carefully cut all the pieces of potatoes. Do not cut it through and through. Just put slits like this. In a bowl we'll mix all the ingredients. This is melted butter. Into this we'll add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Into this we'll add half a teaspoon of chopped garlic. And we'll also add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. If you do not like the tangy flavor of lemon, then you can avoid adding it. Just mix everything well. After that, we need to brush all these sliced potatoes with our prepared mixture. So we'll just brush it like this. We'll just try to coat all the potatoes nicely. As you can see, one can also use a spoon to go inside the slits of the potatoes so that it is coated well. So likewise, we'll coat all the potatoes in a similar manner. That's about it. Now we'll transfer these potatoes in a baking dish. I'll be baking these potatoes in my air fryer. So if you're using an oven to bake these, then you can directly place this sheet on the baking tray. Keep little space in between the potatoes. I've also lined my baking dish with parchment paper so it is easy to clean it. After that, we'll sprinkle generous amount of salt on it. Along with it, we'll also add black pepper. Here it goes. And my sliced potatoes are ready to go for baking. I've already preheated my air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. We'll be baking our sliced potatoes at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes first. After 8 minutes, then we'll give another layer of our oil mixture on top of the potatoes and then we'll bake it further till these becomes crispy. If you're baking these sliced potatoes in an oven, then you need to bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. It's been 8 minutes. Now we'll brush all the potatoes again with the oil mixture. Have a closer look at it. These potatoes are already looking so tempting. This coating will make our sliced potatoes even more crisper from outside. And it's done. We'll place it back in the air fryer. We'll continue to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 4 to 5 more minutes. In total, I have baked these potatoes for 20 minutes to get this nice crispy golden look. These are looking so wonderful. So let's quickly serve it. This is one of the simplest recipe which you can prepare using potatoes. Sliced potatoes look very cute. Just look at these. Though you can use those big size potatoes, but I feel that these small baby potatoes looks even more cuter and the flavor is very nice. These are crispy from outside and soft and tender from inside because we have added butter, oil, flavor of garlic in it. So these are very flavorful potatoes. You can simply serve this as a side dish. This is perfect for a side dish. You can serve it to your guests, to kids, and even you can prepare these for birthday parties, kitty parties, etc. I'm sure you will really love the flavor of these sliced potatoes. So do give it a try.
So friends, do try making this recipe and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you want to know the detailed written recipe, then check out the link of my blog which I have shared in the description box below. Like our video, share our video with your friends and family, and subscribe to Healthy Kadai for more such interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.